Welcome back to Project Lead the Way Design and Modeling. We have been working on a puzzle cube dissection challenge. So we're going to take this puzzle cube and we're supposed to take it apart in a way that we can put it back together and document it and then create modifications to it. How can we make this puzzle system better for someone who has cerebral palsy? There is no right or wrong answer, but they are allowed to do research and have conversations with a partner that they were set up with. And now, today and the rest of this week, we will be having conversations with other people, different people in the classroom, to figure out the best solution for creating a puzzle toy for someone who has cerebral palsy. So they get to have a conversation using a decision matrix, which helps them figure out the best solution based on their group members. And then they can have a conversation and come up with a final decision. We will then be taking all of the work that they've been doing these past couple weeks and combining it into a presentation, whether that's an iMovie or a Google Slide or some other format, and they're going to present their work that the four of them have done to the class. So it is all individually based. It is not dependent on a group, but we are looking at them creating a final decision and doing a working drawing with an isometric and a multi-view and presenting their product to the class. So that'll be some pretty cool stuff. That's this week, and then we'll be starting Unit 2, which is called Building Blocks. That'll be next week. So presentations will be Thursday and Friday, and then we'll move on into the next unit starting next week. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm glad you're back from break. Have a good day.